Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we have a vintage Homelite EZ. Great saw for parts or restoration. This is a very nice vintage saw. No cracked or damaged cases. The engine does turn over. It has approximately 120 pounds of compression. The piston does not appear scored. There are pictures in the description below that will show you what it looks like. The chain has been on so long that it's pretty much kinked up and needs to be replaced. Overall, a very nice saw for parts or for restoration. Throttle linkage works. It does have good spark. This is a ready to tear down and repair, or a wonderful source of Homelite EZ spare parts. Be sure to click on the link below for more pictures and details of this great little saw. And don't forget to like our channel and subscribe. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.